Welcome to Blink, our brand new AI app that legally bombards our Amazon affiliate link to millions of active buyers, resulting in mass payments. No writing required, no video creation, no website required, no ads, no SEO, and no waiting. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how it works. I'm sure you've heard about faceless product review videos. These videos involve reviewing and promoting products without showing your face. Instead, they typically feature close-up shots of the product, on-screen text, voiceovers, and sometimes animated graphics or stock footage. This approach allows for anonymity and often focuses more on the product itself rather than the personality of the reviewer. Effective and high-converting faceless product review videos include an introduction highlighting the product's purpose and biggest benefit, a discussion of the product's design and quality, an in-depth analysis of the product's key features and functionality and how they benefit the user, a comparison with similar products, pros and cons, explanation of why this product is better than others, a summary of genuine user experiences and testimonials found in online reviews, tips and tricks for users to get the most out of the product, a FAQ section, a conclusion summarizing the review, ending with a call to action to buy the product. Wait, but I just said no writing and no video creation is required. You might be worried that you'll have to create advanced videos like this. Yes, you're right. No writing and no video creation are required. And no, of course, you won't have to be writing and creating any video yourself. Keep watching, because I will show you how Blink can do all the work for you in less than 2 minutes, guaranteed. If you know how to copy and paste stuff on your computer, then you are good to go. Okay, that's good to know, but do faceless product review videos actually generate affiliate sales? Absolutely yes. Wisol says faceless product review videos can achieve engagement rates up to 50% higher than traditional face-to-camera videos because they allow viewers to focus solely on the product being reviewed. HubSpot says these videos can lead to conversion rates that are 70% higher than text-based reviews alone. Visual demonstrations of the product's features and benefits help potential buyers make informed decisions. Forrester Research says videos are 53 times more likely to rank on the first page of Google search results. This makes faceless product review videos a powerful tool for driving organic traffic to affiliate links. Biteable says creating faceless product review videos can be up to 40% faster, way faster with Blink, compared to traditional review videos, as they require less preparation and post-production work involving personal appearance. Increased viewer trust. Animoto says 70% of consumers prefer to watch product videos rather than read product descriptions. Faceless review videos can build trust by providing an unbiased, straightforward review of the product. Do you want to see how Blink can create these awesome types of videos in less than 2 minutes? Let's do it. Blink was designed to create the perfect faceless product review videos for any product, in any niche, in any format, in any language, with the power of artificial intelligence, and in less than 2 minutes. I would love to create a faceless product review video about this awesome Amazon bestseller in electronic products that many people love, and I'm going to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add product info. Start by giving your project a name. Then, add the product name. Upload a product image, or you can also import it from a URL. Simply go to the product sales page, locate the product image, right-click on it, copy the image address, go back to Blink, and paste it here. Add a product description. We recommend grabbing a nice description from the product sales page, particularly from the About This Item section. Then, add the product sales page URL to extract even more quality and 100% relevant information about the product. Select the language. Blink can create faceless product review videos in any language, translating everything automatically. Choose among the 3 most commercial video resolutions: portrait, landscape, and square. Select the background format from image, video, or color. You can also select a particular niche category to automatically add the best quality video or image backgrounds for your faceless product review video. If you want to guarantee that the background fits the affiliate product perfectly, enable the custom background feature and add an image URL for each slide. Blink will create. Reuse image URLs to make the process faster if needed. Finally, click on Generate Slides. Step 2. Customize. That was extremely simple, don't you think? At this point, the video is 100% ready to render. Everything is set up automatically and ready in less than 2 minutes of your time, thanks to the power of AI. This includes highly enticing and unique text generated with AI, showcasing every one of the 10 elements of a high-converting product review video, 100% relevant to the product. Professional voiceovers generated with AI in any language, dialect, and gender of your choice. Font styling to customize font family, font color, and font background color. The ability to change the product image or hide it. Video, image, or color background automatically added to each slide, with options to change them using our library or by uploading your own. Background animation included in each slide, with options to change them. Background music with adjustable volume and the ability to upload your own track or select from our playlist. Step 3. Publish. Finally, sit back and relax while Blink creates your awesome faceless product review video in just minutes. Once your video is done, you can view it, edit it, download it, enhance its marketing power by adding text watermark, image watermark, video watermark, removing the audio, adding background music, and trimming it. You can also duplicate it and delete it. Let's now take a look at the video we just created.
Apple AirTag Review. Apple AirTag is a handy device that helps you keep track of your items using the Find My app. With easy setup and precision finding features, this sleek accessory is a game-changer for forgetful folks like me. The Apple AirTag boasts a sleek and minimalist design that adds a touch of elegance to your belongings. Made with high-quality materials, this accessory is not only visually appealing but also durable enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The standout feature of the Apple AirTag is its precision-finding technology, which uses ultra-wideband technology to lead you right to your lost items.
Well, that is totally awesome. Blink provides everything you need to succeed with faceless product review videos for your business, requiring less than 2 minutes of your time to get it done. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet powerful app is amazing, but I can't show it all in this short demo video. That's why we created a VIP training, consisting of an over-the-shoulder VIP training that will show you step-by-step how to make money with Blink the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. No other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you want to take full advantage of our brand new AI app that legally bombards our Amazon affiliate link to millions of active buyers, resulting in mass payments, with no writing, no video creation, no website, no ads, no SEO, and no waiting, then try Blink today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.